Welcome back. I'm Greg Dewar, real estate broker, mortgage agent, and the owner of Dewar Realty. Before getting my real estate license, I was a carpenter and I've completed hundreds of renovations. Since getting into real estate, I've turned several outdated homes into high-value investments, and I want to share that expertise with you. There are so many different things to consider when planning your renovation priorities in order to get ready to sell. So we're going to cover this in 2 episodes, and today we're talking about the basics, deal breakers, and your budget. Before we begin, be sure to like and subscribe to our channel so you can continue to grow your real estate savvy skills with me. First things first, you have to make sure these 3 things are considered when planning your reno. Starting with the basics. If you're not ready, willing, and able to renovate, then prioritize the basics, which are cleaning and decluttering. These 2 things may be all you actually need to make your property a more appealing option to buyers in your market. And I'm not talking about a little tidy up here and there. I'm talking about a thorough, deep cleaning that leaves your home completely refreshed. Hire out the cleaning if necessary. If you have not discovered the benefits of having your home professionally cleaned while you're at work, I promise that you will not be disappointed with that experience. And as for decluttering, you're already planning to move anyways, so this will benefit you in 2 ways. Packing and storing items ahead of time will make your moving day easier and will help your home show better when it's on the market. And don't just put your stuff in the garage or the basement, because the clutter will make it seem like your home lacks storage space. So make sure to take everything away from your home and put it in a storage room or a container. This is a fundamental process that we complete with all of our listings, and it's something that you should consider too. Number 2, deal breakers. Buyers do not want to take on the cost of fixing major components of a home after they have just moved in, unless the cost of those repairs is considered in the sale price. Buyers will basically expect that every home they see will be dry, airtight, and climate controlled. So if your home has a bad roof, drafty windows, a leaky basement, or a furnace that's on its last legs, then consider it to be a red flag for any buyer. These kinds of repairs should be your first renovation priority. Otherwise, be prepared to reduce your asking price or sale price to account for those costly repairs. Spending time and money on these parts of your home doesn't exactly produce the highest return on investment, but as I said before, buyers have expectations and you want to be able to meet or even exceed those expectations. And number 3, your budget. If you're working with a smaller budget, you can still make a massive impact, but try to focus on the quicker, more cost-effective changes that you can make easily, like flooring, painting, changing light fixtures, and other accent details, which can all drastically improve your home's appeal. And if you do have a larger budget to play with, and you have already completed those other updates that I just mentioned, I suggest you focus on remodeling your kitchen or your bathrooms. These renovations will make your home more desirable because they are the hearts of the house. Just think about it. Kitchens are about sustenance, about gathering with family and friends, and bathrooms are about relaxation and self-care. So spending that little extra up front to improve these areas of the home are definitely worth the splurge. And if you have already taken care of these upgrades as well, then the next best place to focus is on landscaping and curb appeal. My last piece of advice is don't try to stretch a small budget to cover a big budget project. The last thing you want to do is shortchange your kitchen renovation and have it turn out looking, well, like you didn't have the proper budget to renovate a kitchen. Thanks for sticking with me. Be sure to come back next week where we cover why consistency and curb appeal are crucial, and why you should consider these 2 things when getting your home ready for sale. Oh, and don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button so you're always notified when the new episode drops.